everyone, welcome to the online classes. Today we are on page number 113. Let us do the word problems of addition. Okay, word problems. Look at the given word problem carefully. Binny has 20 coins. Okay, Binny has 20 coins. Her father gives her 15 more. How many coins does Binny have in all? So what you have to write? First, how many coins Binny has? 20 coins. So write 20 here. Then her father gives her 15 coins more. So 1 5 15. Here 0 plus 5 is 5 only. 2 in the mind, 1 on a finger. After 2, 3. So total 35 coins. Answer, Binny has 35 coins. Okay, let us do the problems like this. Solve these word problems. There are 35 fish in a river. Okay, there is a river. In that river 35 fish are there. 18 more join them. How many fish are there in all? So first, how many are there? 35. Then how many joined? 18. So write 18 down. So now you need to add all these. 35 plus 18. So 8 in the mind, 5 on a finger. 8 in the mind, 5 on a finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. So 1, 3, 13. 1 carry up, 3 down. 1, 3, 13. Okay, 1 carry up, 3 down. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So totally how many fish are in the river? 35 fish. 35 fish. Okay, in this way we need to do. Now turn the page. Now second problem. Asba has 17 beads. Asba had 17 beads. Her mother gives her 19 more. How many beads does Asba have now? So first, how many beads Asba have? 17. Then how many mother gave more? 19. So totally how many now? You need to add. So 9 in the mind, 7 on a finger. So 7 fingers, draw 7 lines. 9 in the mind, 7 on a finger. 9 in the mind, 7 on a finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 6, 1 carry up. 1, 6, 16. So all three are 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. So how many ones? 1, 2, 3. So totally how many beads are there now? 36 beads. Okay. Next. Saira makes 35 cookies. Saira makes 35 cookies. Some guests come and she makes 27 more. How many cookies does Saira make in all? So how many cookies she made first? 35. So because some guests has come, so she made more 27 cookies. So now you have to add this 35 plus 27. So 5, 7. 5 plus 7. Which is a big number? 7 is the big number. 7 in the mind, 5 on a finger. 7 in the mind, 5 on a finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 1 carry up. 1, 2, 12. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 4, 5, 6. So totally how many cookies she made now? 62 cookies. 62 cookies Saira made. Winnie had 48 toffees. Winnie had 48 toffees. Her mother gave her 18 more toffees. How many toffees does Winnie have now? So first she have 18 toffees. Then mother gave more 18. 48 she have and 18 more mother gave. So 48 plus 18. 8 in the mind, 8 on a finger. So 8 lines draw. 8 in the mind, 8 on a finger. 8 in the mind, 8 on a finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6, 1 carry up. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So 66 toffees Winnie have. Winnie has 66 toffees. There were 11 deer in a zoo. 9 more joined. How many deer are there now? So 11 deer were there in the zoo. 9 joined. 9 means only ones. You should not write 9 under tens. Okay. This is only ones. 9 ones. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. You need to do the addition. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. So 20 deers are there. Okay. Now let us do the next. Subtracting one digit number from two digit number. Look at the example. Tens, ones. It is also arranged in the same way, tens and ones. So first what you have to do? You have to subtract the ones. Subtract the digits in the ones place. In the ones place, what all the digits are there, that you have to subtract first. Then write the digit in the tens place as it is, because below the tens digit nothing is there to subtract. So same number you have to write. So let us do the exercise. Subtract the numbers. 94 minus 2. So first what you have to do? Once you have to subtract. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. So you have to do the backward counting. See, after 2, how many fingers will come to for 4? So here what is the down number? 2. Down number is what? 2. So till 4 you have to count. 2. After 2, 3, 4. What is the upper number? 4. After 2, 3, 4. After 2, 3, 4. So how many? 1, 2. And below 9 nothing is there. So same 9 will be the answer. 5, 6, 56 minus 4. So from 4 till 6 you have to count. From 4 till 6 you have to count. After 4, 5, 6. After 4, 5, 6. How many fingers you got? 1, 2. 2 here also. And below 5 nothing is there. Same 5 you need to write. Then 8, 9, 89 minus 5. So from 5 till 9 you have to count. From 5 till 9 you have to count. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers here? 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Write 4 here. And same 8. Then 7, 8, 78 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8. After 6, 7, 8. 2. And 7 below nothing is there. Same 7 only. So this rest all you will be doing for the homework. Okay children. Then subtracting 2-digit numbers. Two digit numbers. Now here we are subtracting only 1-digit numbers from 2-digit number. Now we have to subtract the 2 digits from the 2-digit numbers. See, 85 minus 43 43. This is also we have to do in the same way. First you have to subtract the ones, then you have to subtract tens. First ones, then tens. Okay, subtract the numbers. 7, 8, 78 minus 3, 5, 35. 7, 8, 78, 3, 5, 35. So from 5 you have to start till 8 you have to count. From 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many fingers you got? 3. And after 3 till 7 you have to count. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many? 4. Okay. In this way you need to subtract. 5, 6, 56, 2, 2, 22. So from 2 till 6 you have to count, and here from 2 till 5 you have to count. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 4. And here after 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 3. Okay, in this way you need to do. 8 4 84 minus 7 3 73. 8 4 84 7 3 73. After 3 till 4 you have to count. After 3 4. After 3 4 only 1. And after 7 8. After 7 8. Here also only 1. Then 9 5 95 60 60. From 0 till 5. 0 5 means same 5 only. And from 6 till 9 you have to count. After 6 7 8 9. After 6 7 8 9. How many? 3. Okay. Rest this all is 4 you will be doing for your homework. That's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Have a good day.